Hello schoolBic users, my name is Evelyn. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to configure your school payroll system. schoolBic payroll system is designed and developed to meet any type of institution's payroll process. It's easy to understand and user-friendly for every educational institutions. For you to be able to configure the payroll system, you must be registered as the system super admin or a user with access granted. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I would have to log into the super admin portal of my demo system. Navigate to the payroll module. First thing we need to do is to create the employee salaries. If you pay your employee hourly, you should create the hourly rate of your employee salaries, otherwise ignore this process. Click the hourly base feature from the payroll drop-down menu. As you can see, this are the hourly salary rate for my employee. To add a new hourly salary rate, click the Add Salary Base button. Enter the title of the salary and the hourly rate. In my case, I created an hourly salary rate for all senior teachers because I pay all my senior teachers the same hourly rate. If you pay different hourly rate for your teachers or employee and can't categorize their salary into one rate, simply create different hourly rate for each of them. Click the Add Salary Base button to save the salary rate. From here you can see the salary rate we just created, and you can edit or delete the salary rate using the blue or red button respectively. The next configuration is the salary base. With this feature, it enables you to create the monthly salary rate of your employee. Click the salary base feature. As you can see, this are the salary base rate I have created for my employee. To add a new salary rate, click the Add Salary Base button. Enter the title of the salary rate, and enter the hourly overtime rate for the salary. There is an option to add allowance and deduction to a salary base. However, this field is optional and you can ignore if you don't apply allowance and deduction to your employee salary. To add allowance to salary, click the Add New Row button and enter your allowance title and enter the amount. You can add multiple allowance to a salary base by clicking the Add New Row button to have a new row again. The process of adding deduction is the same with allowance, and you can add multiple deductions to a salary base. At the end of everything, the system will automatically show you the net and gross salary for the salary base. Click the Add Salary Base button to save the salary base. Meanwhile, I would like to clarify that in my case I created a salary base for all senior teachers, because I pay all my senior teachers the same monthly rate. If you pay different monthly rate for your teachers or employee and can't categorize their salary into one rate, simply create different salary base rate for each of them. From here you can see the salary rate we just created, and you can edit or delete the salary rate using the blue or red button respectively. The next process is to allocate the salary rate you have created to the respective employee. To do that, use the Employee Salary module. Click on the Employee Salary feature and search for an employee. You can search for an employee by their name, email, or username. Click the Search User button to search for the employee. And here is the Search Employee. Click the Operation button to assign a salary rate to the employee. You will see all the salary rate for both hourly rate and the monthly rate you have created. You can toggle between the monthly and hourly salary rate like this. Select the appropriate salary rate for the employee and click the Update button to allocate the salary to the employee. To avoid any mistake, you can allocate a salary rate to multiple or all of the employee at once. You must search for the employee one by one and allocate their respective salary rate. To see what salary rate has been allocated to an employee, use the Employee Salary module and search for the employee. Here you can see the detail of the salary rate that is allocated to the employee, the salary type, monthly or hourly, and the salary base that is allocated to the employee. If you would like to change the employee salary, click the Edit button and assign another salary type and click Update. In the next section of this video, I will show you how to make payments to employee, and also how employees see the payment history from their own portal. To make payment to employee, make use of the Make Payment feature. Click the Make Payment module and search for the employee by their name, username or email and click the operation button. Click the operation button and here you can see the employee salary rate, the net salary, and hourly overtime rate for the employee. Also, you can see the employee payment history. To make payment to the employee, select the month and year you are making the payment for. And if the employee has worked overtime, simply enter the overtime hour and the system will calculate the total amount based on the overtime rate you have set for the employee and instantly show you the total amount you are to pay. Next, select the means of payment you are using to make the payment. There is an option for you to enter a comment regarding the payment. This comment will be visible to the user on their payroll history. And lastly, click the Make Salary Payment button to make the payment. Next, we should see how the employee can view their payroll history. So I am logged into an employee account. Navigate to my payroll module and click the feature, and here the employee can see the payment details history. To read a payment, click blue button, and here the employee can see the payment details like the amount paid, overtime detail, comment, and many more. And lastly, let us see how the super admin can generate report of payroll. First of all, log into the super admin portal of your school management system and navigate to the report module and click on the report feature. Select the payroll payments report and enter from which date to which date you'd like to generate report for, and click the payroll payments button to generate your report. And here you can see the generated report based on your search. You can export the report to Excel or PDF file and even print the report. With schoolBic school management software, it's really easy and highly secure to record every payroll in your institution without much hustle. Please check out other of our tutorial videos to learn more about schoolBic. And if you have questions regarding this tutorial video, do not hesitate to get in touch with us or contact your